Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette in non-stick pan. Heat the non-stick pan over medium and test with a drop of water to ensure even sizzle. Add a small amount of butter or oil and swirl to coat the surface evenly. Keep the temperature steady so eggs set without browning too fast, and prepare your fillings while the pan reaches the right heat. Beat 2 to 3 eggs lightly and season with salt and pepper for balanced taste. Add a tablespoon of milk or cream to create a fluffier texture, and fold in herbs or grated cheese if desired. Avoid overbeating or heavy cream, which can weigh the omelette down. Keep fillings prepped and modest so the omelette folds neatly, and use a fork or whisk to combine ingredients just before pouring into the pan. Hey, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and cheese bits so you can focus on breakfast and fewer cleanup worries, and it even responds to voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Pour the beaten eggs into the preheated pan and allow the edges to firm up slightly without browning. Gently stir the center once or twice, then tilt the pan so uncooked egg flows to the edges for an even set. When the surface is mostly set but still slightly glossy, add your fillings to one side and fold the other side over with a spatula. Slide onto a plate and rest for a moment before serving warm.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.